Hey everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel By Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalvali.
For easy recipes, please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the
Bell icon.
Today we'll be making Korean street food potato cheese pancakes.
They are super easy and absolutely delicious, and you're going to love this recipe.
So without any further delay,
Let's get started.
Take 600 grams of potatoes and peel them. Once done, slice them evenly. We will be using a microwave to steam the potatoes, but you can steam them in a pressure cooker or pressure pan. Just see to it that you don't add too much water in the potatoes while steaming. To steam in a microwave, add the sliced potatoes to a bowl and cover it with a heavy-duty wrap. Poke a few holes in it and microwave for 8 to 9 minutes. And they're done. Now mash them evenly so that there are no lumps. You can beat them just like how we have to make the batter soft. At this stage, add 2 tablespoons sugar. Next, add 1 teaspoon salt. You can adjust the amount of sugar and salt according to your preference. Also, you can skip adding sugar, but we recommend to add some as the sweetness of the sugar goes really well with the cheese. Now add 3 tablespoons rice flour and mix well. You can use your hands as well if the batter has cooled down. A bit of trivia for you. In Korea, pancakes are often eaten on a rainy day. Apparently, people associate the sizzling of the pancakes in the oil with the sound of the rain. Interesting, right? Next, take a medium-sized portion and roll it into a ball and flatten it out into a patty as shown. Next, add a generous amount of cheese and cover the cheese with the batter by rolling into a ball again. Continue the same process for the rest of the batter. In a pan, add enough oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Once hot, slowly place the pancakes in it. Fry thoroughly in batches on medium to low heat and do not overcrowd the pan. Flip the pancakes slowly. Do not hurry as they may break if not fried well on one side. Be careful while flipping as the oil may splash out of the pan. And there you have it. Amazingly cheesy, yummy Korean pancakes.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Minasan, ikagaratta desho ka?
We plan on making more such international recipes and sharing them with you. So please stay tuned to our channel.
For instant updates, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the
Bell icon.
Also follow us on Instagram and DM us your ideas.
Yes, please send us some love.
All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.